Let's talk about YouTube Shorts and how YouTube Shorts can help you grow your channel. So I've been testing posting YouTube Shorts to my channel for about maybe 2 weeks in a regular basis, where I've been reposting what I'm posting on other social media platform to see if it does help me grow. And I'm going to show you what happened. Okay, so here I'm in my studio. As you can see, I hope you can hear me well. So, um, okay, let's go and show you exactly what happened when I started to post my shorts. So I'll go to the analytics right here. First of all, the views you can see. So let's check the views. So like I started to post regularly about 2 weeks ago. So let's put 7 days and show you. Okay, so you can see like by posting regularly, so we're August 24th. I probably started to post. Actually, let's go to watch time, subscribers. First, subscribers. I want to show you content first. Okay, so engaged views, likes, subscribers, plus 23. Plus 33, sorry. Plus 33 in the past 28 days. But you can see here I got 4 a few days ago. Here I get 7, 2, 5. And before that, it was pretty much nothing. Nothing. But when I started to post my shorts, I started to grow an audience again. I got subscribers. So I know subscribers are not everything, but this is to show you that posting shorts is really helping. Now, if I go to the, I'm sure you want to see the revenue. So let's go to overview, revenue. And you can see that, let's go on here. Yeah, since I started to post my shorts regularly, because first I was thinking, of what all the gurus are saying, that you can't post shorts if they're not related to your channel, or if you post shorts, that's going to be conflicting with your long form videos, and I cannot ignore that. And I'm like, I'm going to start and see what happens. And what happened is that I actually started to, I'm not rich, right, with this, but I'm starting to grow a little revenue because of my shorts, right? You can see those are all shorts. Top earning content. I mean, it's not much, but look, if you think about it, I'm starting to make more every time the more I post from what I see. So if you think about it, like, I'm not actually putting a lot of work on those shorts because I'm reposting the ones that I already created on my Instagram. So I'm growing my Instagram account and just reposting my YouTube shorts from Instagram to here. The secret is they have to be 7 seconds max. So no, I'm not like posting 1 minute long shorts, and that's probably why I'm getting more views. So create them very short, 5 seconds, not more than that. Let me try to go to my shorts so you can see. They're 5 seconds long content here. They're 5 seconds long, most of them, and they're just reposts of my Instagram. And you can see the last one 3 hours ago, 665 views. the one before, yesterday, 3,100. And I've got some that are getting a good amount of views, 1,200 here. And you see they're all like 6, 7 seconds, 5, between 5 and 7 seconds, most of them. 5,500, 22,000. So, and they're all related to my niche in a way, because I'm trying to grow a community. Um, I'm trying to grow a channel for people that are over 35 or 40, over 35 anyways. So all the shorts that I'm posting are related to that audience. So they're not related to creating a YouTube channel and tips and tricks, but they're related to whatever issues people my age, over 40, can have in life. So that's what you want. You want to pull that audience. And then, like, creating a YouTube channel is a bonus if they want to do it. It doesn't matter. But as long as, I'm growing an audience with those relatable videos, that's all that matters. And see 25,000, and I'm growing a little, like, I mean, I'm still not making a lot, but I'm growing a little, like, a little bit of money with that small amount of work, because reposting doesn't take much. It just takes me 5 seconds. I hope this was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next video for new ways to make money online with YouTube, monetize your channel, and get that passive income that you're looking for. See you guys.